Hey, I hope you are good today. We are going to talk about how we can be able to connect the API to the Binance account, to your Binance account. That is connecting the bot and your Binance account. So, if you have already subscribed inside the VIP channel Futures Signal, what you're going to do is kindly click on what? Follow signal. That is, immediately click on follow signal, it will now take you to the bot inside the Telegram. So from the bot, you can now be able to go straight to website. You can continue here, but continue on website is recommended. You continue on our website, then you click what? Continue on our website. So the process is from inside the signal, you click what? Follow signal. Or if you contact me, I will be able to also share the link with you, so you can be able to go straight. Or you can just click here, follow signal. If you have already subscribed, follow signal. Then it take you to what? The Cornix trading bot. This is it. And then you can be able to click continue on our website, which is recommended. So let's go ahead. So we are here inside Cornix website. I'm going to enter some username, like first name, then last name. I'll go ahead and enter cash, and then let me enter coins. Right, so I want to just use these coins. Then let me use the email, which is hello at C signals.com. That's exactly the email I want to use. Oh no, this is supposed to be .com. And no, so .com. So I'll go ahead and confirm the email. That's the hello at what's happening. Hello at C4C signals.com. Yeah, we are here, and then we can just go ahead and type a password. You can get the password here, like just the password that you remember. So okay, password needs to be at least 8 characters long, with at least a symbol, uppercase, lowercase, characters, and number. Alright, let me just follow it as they have instructed. So okay, so password, alright, and then okay, that's it. And then we confirm. Okay, that's correct. Then I've read the agreement. Then we click submit. So waiting for Cornix to get registered, like register us, and then it says we have to verify from our email. So I'm checking my email from my phone, so I can be able to get the code and then make the entries. Then we continue. So I'm quickly getting it from my that's my phone. I'm here right now, and actually I've not received the email. So let me check my other folders. Not yet. So just few minutes. Let me receive the email, then we continue. Alright, the email just arrived, and the code I've got here is 504978. That's 4978. So we go ahead and click submit, and boom, we are here. First of all, we come from the signal to Cornix website, then we are connecting, we are registering, we have finished registering, then still on the process of connecting our API. So it says Telegram security code. I'm going to get a code. This says validate Telegram user. Please provide the following information to verify you are the owner of the Telegram account, not your Telegram account. Click here to change it. No, so it's actually my Telegram account for Cash for Coins admin. So I'm going to get a code here. Security code. Successfully sent the code via Telegram. Let me quickly check if I have a code here in my Telegram. The security code is this. It expires in 10 minutes. Alright. I didn't see it before, so it's still inside the bot. We have not left the bot. Remember, we clicked here to go to the website, and then after putting our password, still on the process, on the steps, it now came back here to give us a code to make sure that this is our username. Alright, so if you follow the step, you get it right. Then I'll quickly come here and then enter the code. This is the code, and then click continue. We just got the code from yeah. Then the next thing, your Telegram account was successfully connected. Now let's create your first account. So which account are we going to create? We have Binance Futures. We have Binance Futures, Bittrex, and all that. So we're going to click on what? Binance Futures, and then my Binance Futures. Okay, let me check something. Okay, this is my Binance. So we click on what? Binance Futures. So you can be able to give this account any name you want, because maybe you may like to create another account or later on. So that's your like anything you want. Okay, so this is what we go and get the API key from Binance, and also the API secret from Binance. So what do? We open our Binance account. This is my Binance. I've already logged in. Make sure you log into your Binance, and then you come to the user icon, straight to API management. If you are using your mobile phone, it's very easy. When you go to your mobile phone, of course, it's very easy to locate the API management. On your mobile phone, on the Binance account, when you're on the home page of the Binance account, you can see more, and then you go straight to down to API management. You see the API management when you click more from your Binance homepage. If you are using mobile, of course, because you can be able to use mobile to do these steps instead of using your laptop. But any device you have access to, you can be able to use it to connect. So we go ahead and click what? API management. So I have one of my account already connected to Cornix. So we create another API here right now. Let me see, Cornix. I'm going to give it a name, Cornix 2, and then click on next. This is just a label to be able to differentiate your API from another, like differentiate your API from another one, like, because you can be able to create multiple APIs. Right, so I'll go ahead and click next, and I'll get a verification code here, right here. This is what I'll go ahead and click on get code. This is just for security purpose. Binance will send me a code to my email and also my phone number. I'll go ahead and click on what? Get code, and then get code. So this one is for my email, then this one is for my phone number. So I'm checking my email right away to get the code Binance sent to me, so we can be able to enter it and then move on to the next step. Binance, I'm here. Alright, the code is let me check. Okay, 591610. That is 591610. That is 5916 and 10. Then the one from phone, let me check my mobile phone too. That is SMS. So I'll have it as a, so come back down here. That's 2103 and then 29. How to do the 29, and we click submit, and boom, we should get our API ready. Not all that ready, but at least we've gotten it. Then we are going to do some editing. Okay, we click here to copy this. That's the API key. Copy and come to Cornix. API key right here. We paste the API key. Come to Binance. Copy the secret key and boom to our Cornix. Paste it. Before we create an account, I will show you here on Binance. You need to do some editing, edit restrictions. Okay, so if you do not do the editing, it is not going to work. It's not going to trade your futures and the spot. But mainly, this is the mainly needed edition or selection, that is enable futures. But we can also enable this, that enable spot and margin trading. So mainly the futures, but if you like, you also enable the second one, which is enable spot and margin. Then you go ahead and click save. Alright, permission expired. Trading permissions are only active for 90 days without trusted IPs set for this API key. You can reactivate after expiration. So this is going to expire in 90 days. So after each 90 days, it expires. You come and create another one and connect it back. As simple as that. So click OK, and then yes, okay, it's coming. Then get a code. That's the last code we are going to get. This is for SMS. And then after it, I'm checking my phone right now. It should be here. Okay, not here, it's not here. Okay, I got the SMS. So still on verification. The code is 6741 and the 07, and then we go ahead and continue. So we have already done this, so no need we go out here, cancel it. The edition has finished. We have saved it. So this particular thing, I'm going to delete this this Cornix API. I'm not going to use it. Okay, so it's exposed. I'm not doing this recording just for public knowledge on how to be able to connect the API. I'm not going to use it for personal stuff. Okay, so don't expose your API key and secret to anyone. All right, back to Cornit. Then we go ahead and click create account. So after creating the account, it will take us to our dashboard. All right, so I believe you have gotten the steps on how to be able to connect your API from between the bot and the Binance. That is connecting your Binance API to the bot. So the next one, we are going to look at how to move around in Cornix dashboard. So creating this will now take us to the dashboard. So see you on the dashboard, so we can be able to talk about some other, how you can be able to move around on the Cornix dashboard. Though you don't need much settings there. So See you in the next lesson. Thank you.